The Matrix, Legco. On the 18th of June 2015, the pro-establishment legislators bungled their political reform vote. Afterwards, internal communications were leaked. Can this fiasco be foretold? We try to answer this by studying voting patterns. We collected Legco voting data from 2012 to the 18th of June 2015, to examine the voting patterns of the pro-establishment and pan-democracy camp. We first sort the 70 legislators by their voting inclinations. The makers of motions constitute the column, and the voters constitute the row. Each cell represents how a voter is supportive of a mover. The brighter the color, the stronger the support. This cell is very bright. That means Loon Kwok Hong, long hair, is very supportive of his own motions. Every row has 70 such cells. Combine all 70 rows, we arrive at a 70 by 70 matrix. Legco President Sang Yok Sing doesn't make motions and only vote present. He can be used as the reference, dividing the pro-establishment and the pan-democracy. The upper left area of Sang Yok Sing represents the internal voting of pan-democracy camp. If we compare the two camps, we can see that the pan-democracy camp is smaller but internally supportive, and the pro-establishment camp is larger yet less cohesive. Let's take a deeper look into the pan-democracy camp. Loon Kwok Hong, Albert Chan, Raymond Chan, and Raymond Wong led the filibuster in the council. They voted for each other, but most of their motions were not supported even by other pan-democracy legislators. However, if we exclude these four, the pan-democracy camp is clearly united in their votes. In comparison, the pro-establishment camp is not as united. Nevertheless, some of them are popular among the pan-democrats, such as Regina Yip, Paul Tse, and Kwok Wei Kyung. More interestingly, Poon Sui Ping is a pro-establishment legislator, yet he receives overwhelming support from the Democrats, but not from pro-establishment legislators. On the other hand, only few Democrats gained pro-establishment support, such as Charles Mock and Ronnie Tong. One more thing, the diagonal represents how one supports their own motions and should be bright. Sang Yok Sing doesn't make motions, therefore his cell is black. Lam Tae Fei didn't make motions, therefore his cell is also black. This is Starry Lee. Her cell was not very bright, because she voted against her own motions. So why did she vote against herself? Why Poon Sui Ping was more popular in the opposite camp? Please read our detailed report brought to you by Initium Media.